All right, so I'm going to start off with the hair dryer attachment here. My hair's a little bit wet, and in order to use the curling attachments, you want your hair to be damp so that the hair will really attach to the barrel using the Kawanda effect that everybody knows and loves with Dyson. With this hair dryer attachment, it has the hair dryer, which you'll see right here, and then if you turn it, it is the flyaway tool, but we will save that to the end to get rid of all of those flyaways. So we're just gonna dry our hair a little bit, get it to damp, and then we'll get to curling. All right, I'm going to use the hottest heat and the highest level here, just because my hair is really, really thick and it works better with high heat and a lot of power. So here we go. Okay, now I'm just gonna brush it out really quick, so give me a second.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm back. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to switch out the attachment, and I'm going to use there's a little button back here just to switch it out. You just pull it down and it's so easy. So I'm gonna use the 1.6 inch barrel because I like my curls to be a little bit thicker, just clips right in. And then I'm going to start by sectioning my hair. So I'm going to part it down the middle, and then I have a little screen here so I can see what I'm doing, but I'm going to bring the top section up. Makes it easier when you section it because then all the hair's not trying to wrap around. All right, so now that I've got my hair sectioned, I am going to use the curling iron attachment. I have the 1.6 in because I like it better than the 1.2 just for my hair because it gives me those bigger curls. The cool thing with this on the new edition is that you no longer have to switch out the barrels when you want to switch directions of airflow. Now it just has this handy dandy little knob here that you just twist, and it's amazing. So I like to curl my hair away from my face. When I get to behind my ear, that's where I curl everything away from my face. In the back, I'll alternate just to give it some more volume, some more body. So I'll be alternating until I get to the back of my ear here, and then everything I'm gonna do is going to curl away from my face. Okay, here we go. Oh, and make sure you're taking small sections because the bigger the sections, the harder it is to dry the hair and to get it all onto the barrel. So I like to take small sections. Look at that. Okay, so the trick here is you're going to have the hair attach. You're gonna hold it on there for about 10 to 15 seconds or until the hair seems dry. And then you're gonna use the cold shot. So you just push up on that and hold it up. And you're gonna use the cold shot for about 5 seconds to set the curl. And then you're good to go. Oh, turn it off before you unlatch your hair too. So again, to recap, attach it, have it dry for about 10 to 15 seconds, use the cold shot for 5, and then turn it off to release the curl. All right. All right, one more quick note is sometimes you'll see that the hair either moves up or down on the barrel. And if that happens, just easily move the hair back up or down. It's really easy to maneuver and doesn't get too hot. And that's it, you're done. I'm just kidding. You have to let the curls fall a little bit or else you're gonna have this big old curly Q little Shirley Temple look. So, should we have a transition moment? A hair flip transition? I like it, here we go. And just like that, you've got these amazing, voluptuous curls and they look pretty good. But there's one more thing that you could do if you want to. I don't know if you can tell, but I have a little bit of frizz on top of my hair, which that can definitely happen when you're drying your hair. So you can use the flyaway tool. So we are just going to reattach this one, the hair dryer flyaway tool. And this time you're going to turn it so you're not seeing this. So we're using the flyaway tool. And then you're gonna wanna turn this depending on which side of the head that you are on. So you wanna make sure that the air is coming out of the correct side. So if you're going to be doing this side of your head, you want it flipped so that the air is coming out over here. If you're gonna do this side, you want the air to come out over here, all right? And then we're just gonna basically just go down and get rid of all of those flyaways. And as you can see, flyaways are gone, and it just makes it look a lot smoother and a lot shinier. And I'm obsessed with this, so you probably will be too. Make sure you check out our overview that is posted on our channel, and I will see you next time.